Hello guys, welcome to the Bascom Tech Excel Masterclass. Now, have you ever had this issue that you've applied an Excel formula and it's showing the same values? The formula applied is not auto incrementing based on the what Excel columns and rows. So this is a popular question issue that has affected most people while carrying out Excel formulas. Now, let's say we have a data set for a sales company, and you want to add these two columns. Yes, for the January unit quantity and February unit quantity. And you find that when you drag and drop, you get the same answer. And you looked very, very well at the formula. Your formula is correct. Or let's say you use the second method by just what? Double clicking. And you should get the same answer. And this problem has been an headache to most people. So how do we resolve it? So I think the primary cause of this is because somebody has changed the settings of your Excel formula. So the logical thing for you have to know how to what correct it. So the step is simple. Just go to formulas, from formulas, go to what calculation options. Now you see that the calculation option is manual. It is wrong. It will allow you to what do you resolve issues of this nature. So you have to what uncheck this, then click what this. So let it be what automated what function for what calculations. So now if you now want to what let's give it a try. So we've done the addition already. You just double click and you can see that what it has what when you drag and drop it has auto incremented along with the row. So this is how you resolve this issue. So when you have issues like this, always know how to what find your way. You go to what formulas, formula. You go to what calculation option, and you choose this option what automatic what option. Do not choose the manual method. So this is what a very short video and what it's a lifesaver option. So see you all in our next class. Have a great day. Bye.